an ideology of hatred and murder that includes ethnic and religious cleansing, disrespect of any minority and different people. Today we deal with a phenomenon which crosses state boundaries and even destroys states. Moreover, fighters from other countries are getting even more involved. Unfortunately, foreign terrorist fighters are not typical of ISIL only. Recently, Europe has also faced violation of state borders, broad civilian casualties, and destruction of democratic institutions. If we want to stop this global trend, we must act surely together. Today, adopting the Security Council resolution, we have not only condemned foreign terrorist fighters, but also called upon all states to take urgent measures to stop them. In addition, we must understand that to halt the ISIL's ideology spreading even further, we need to ensure viable Iraqi state institutions, tackle humanitarian situation, and help regional states to fight terrorism themselves. Finally, Lithuania reaffirms its full commitment to support all efforts in fight against terrorism throughout the world. Thank you.